Una, dapat nyo munang maintindihan kung ano ba talaga ang pagiging isang lalaki. Being a man is about sacrifices and responsibility. Men should not evade responsibility and always aim for good outcome, even if they have to sacrifice themselves in the process. May 3 possible scenario or level of manliness akong naiisip na dapat ay ginawa ni Anthony to be considered as a man. First scenario, though tong scenario na to ay tagilid pa, but this is a better scenario than dun sa nangyari. Dapat, umpisa pa lang nakipag-break na siya sa GF niya. Nung nalaman niyo yung entailments nung love team nila ni Maris, which is yun nga, kailangan nila maglandian in real life. It still sounds kinda mean, pero it will save a lot of pain dun sa babae. Di niya dadanasin na nakikita niya yung landian ni Anthony at Maris while umaasa na magiging okay pa sila. Anthony will take the responsibility of ending their relationship and all the blame. While I think mahal niya pa naman si Jamela that time, so it is a sacrifice as well. He will take the sacrifice of taking all the blame and his feelings for his GF for a better outcome. Though pero may mangyayari pa ring sakit, pero hindi na rin ganun kalala. Pwede na rin. Second scenario, eto medyo level up na tayo dito ng konti. He will avoid Maris at all costs on personal level. Walang mangyayaring landian on personal level. Purely professional lang. As a result of this, since hindi sila ganun kagaling na artista, baka hindi nila mapaniwala yung madla sa chemistry nila or love team nila. He will be responsible as an actor and boyfriend to keep it on professional level only, but will sacrifice his libog and possibly his career kasi there's a possibility na di mag-succeed yung love team nila. Ganyan ang pagiging lalaki. Responsibility and sacrifices. Pero there's a more level pa na kung nakikitang scenario dito. Ito, pangatlong scenario. Kung ito yung ginawa ni Anthony, lalaking lalaki na siya. Kumbaga, lampas 100% at sigma level ng pagiging manliness to. Kung ito yung ginawa niya, madali lang. He will let go of his showbiz career. Find another career, pakasalan yung girlfriend niya, bumuo ng pamilya at mamuhay ng tahimik, malayo sa mundo ng showbiz na alam naman natin, di ba, na ang mundo ng showbiz ay puno ng mga malalandi. Di ba? Tulad nito ni Maris, mga plastic, deceitful, mga manggagamit at marami pang iba. Kaya mahirap matahimik sa mundo ng showbiz. This is what it takes to be a man. Taking responsibility and sacrificing for good.